Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an FTP server on your Windows 10 or 11 PC without needing any third-party software. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Before beginning, make sure that the computer you are using as the FTP server has a local static IP address. So just open your network connections by right-clicking on your active network adapter, then we select Network and Internet Settings. Now over here, just simply scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Then over here, just simply go to the Details page of the network you are currently using. It could be Internet or Wi-Fi, so click on this small problem menu. Then go to the View Additional Property section, click on this arrow. And over here, just look for the IPv4 address. Then just simply copy the address and keep it somewhere handy because we will be needing this later on. Next, open the Windows features. So go to your Start menu and just search for Windows features or just type Turn on and off. And that should give you the result. So click on it and then in the Windows features section, just simply expand it from over here. Now the left-hand set column, look for Internet Information Service. Right over here, then click on the expand option, and in it you should be able to expand the FTP server, so click on that. Now over here, check both of the boxes for FTP executable and FTP services. All should ensure that Web Management Tool is also checked. So click on this expand box, check Web Management Tool, and inside Web Management Tool, IIS Management Console is also checked. Then once everything is checked, all the videos, click on OK. Let the window install few components, so it will take your minutes to complete. So just simply be patient and wait for it. Now once all the components are installed, the next thing we have to do is create a folder that will serve as your FTP share. Let's go to this PC, and let's say, for example, I want to create a folder in videos. Then just simply paste whatever file you want to use. Let's copy and paste some files. And now all the files in this folder will be the shared files, and we do access them from anywhere using the same local network. Now once the file is set up, the next thing that you have to do is you have to open your IIS Manager. So just simply open a Start menu, type IIS Manager, open the Internet Information Service option. Now a window should pop up over here. And then in the left-hand side panel, just expand the service node, which should be right over here. Then just right-click on Site. Then choose Add FTP Site. Now just simply enter a name for your FTP site. For example, local FTP, then set a physical path. And over here, you have to choose the folder that you just created. So click on this 3 lines, then go to the video section. Over here, choose FTP, then click on OK. After that, click on Next. Now over here, you have to enter your static IP address that you just copied. So just simply enter the IP address right over here. In the port section, just simply keep it as default, which is 21. And now just let me choose Start FTP Site automatically. And then for local network setup, just let me choose No SSL. Since encryption isn't a primary concern over here. Now the next thing that you have to do is click on Next. Now over here you have to set up the authentication by choosing Basic. And under the authorization section, simply click on this drop-down menu and choose Specified User. And under username, for example, FTP user, then ground the user read and write permission. So just simply check the boxes. Now with the permission, they can access and modify files in the FTP folder. So once everything is done, just simply click on Finish to complete the setup. And now your FTP server is online on your local network. And as long as your computer is on and connected, you will be able to access the files from the FTP folder from anywhere as long as you are in the same local network. Now the next thing that you have to do is you have to create a FTP user account. So close this option. And for what is security, creating a dedicated Windows user, a FTP access will be the best option. So what you will do is go to your search menu, open Settings, then go to Accounts. Now scroll down, click on Other Users, then click on Add Account. And over here, this will choose I don't have a personal sign-in information. When this could choose add a user without a Microsoft account. Now just enter your username, which will be FTP user. Then this may enter the password. Now just from the end of few security questions over here, once we will do that, just click on next. And the secondary user is now created. And make sure to remember the username and password because the credentials will be important in order to connect to the FTP server from other devices on your network. Now, once that is done, it's time to set up the permission for the FTP user that we just created on the folder. So just go to the FTP share folder we just created, which is going to be in videos, then FTP. Now, this may be right-click on it. Go into the properties of this folder and security. Now, just click on Add It. And then just click on Add. And now just may type the user account name that you just created. Then just simply click on Check Name, and the user account should appear over here. Then click on OK, and after that, just simply grant full control of your FTP file to this particular user. So click on Full Control. Now, by default, Windows Firewall may block FTP connections. So open Windows Firewall. So go to the Control panel, then in the View by Category, we simply choose Large Icon. Now scroll down and choose Windows Defender Firewall. Over here, just simply click on Allow App and Features. Now in this section, just simply search for FTP. So just type F and it should appear FTP. Over here, just simply enable this option. And for doing that, click on Change over here. Then enable FTP servers and make sure to enable private and public as well. After that, just simply go on OK. Now there might be some time issue with the FTP server. And if it is not working after allowing in the firewall, what I would suggest is it simply completely turn off the firewall over here. And that way it should work definitely. This is going to go to any new computer and check it. So let me quickly check that. In the search option at the very top over here, this is going to enter FTP. Then just simply enter this right over here and make sure to add your IP address, which you copied from your IDV4 section. Now just simply hit enter. And wait for a few seconds and a pop-up should appear. Now once the pop-up will appear over here, enter the username of the user account that you created and then the password. Now click on Log 1 and over here you should be able to see the files as you can see. You can even drag and drop to the new computer just like that. And with somebody copied, the copy will be slow because it is using the network, but it will take a minute. And after that, the copy will be completed. Now there is also a third, but it's software that you can download to use if you don't want to use the Windows Explorer, or if you do it, just want to go to any browser. And then this means search for FileZilla. After that, click on the first option. Then download the files that are client. Then download the free version of the FileZilla. And once the downloading is complete, just simply install it. And the installation will be completely easy. Just simply click on Next multiple times until the application is completely installed. Once the application is fully installed, open the application and an interface like this will appear in front of you. Over here, you simply enter the IP address, then enter the username of the computer and the password. Then the port number, which is going to be 21. And then just click on Quick Connect. Now click on OK. And just like that, you should be able to see the files over here. Now in the Android devices, you simply download the application called CX File Explorer and click on Open. Now over here in this application, you simply go to Networks. And now over here in Networks, just in the icon, the Add option on the plus option, you go to Remote. Now choose FTP. Over here, you simply enter the host IP, which is going to be the IP address from the IPv4 section. Then the port, which is 21. Now the username, then the password. And now after that, just simply click on OK. And now just wait for a few seconds. Then once we open that, you should be able to see the files in that too. So that's it. You have successfully set up FTP Server on your Windows 10 or 11 PC for local network use. Now you can easily access and transfer your files from any device on your network. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.